What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another great video, hopefully. We are back in the camper, and I got some exciting news. I got a new camera. I got a Canon M50, so came with a nice little Rode mic on top, so hopefully the audio is a little better. If not, I don't know what to tell you, my voice isn't that great. But I got a lot of work done on the camper, and I sold my old camera. And when I sold my old camera, I deleted all the footage on the SD card, but I kept the SD card. Yeah, I don't even understand it myself, but that means that you guys are missing out on a lot of stuff that has happened so far. So we're gonna do a quick little recap, and then we'll get to today's work. So first thing I gotta show you guys is the cabinets, and they are all white. So now all the cabinets are painted white, and trust me, they look amazing. I also had built this one out to go straight along. It was angled back. Let me turn this around real quick. So this one was angled back towards, like, the cabinet sloped in. So this one was angled back. I brought it out, put a little piece of wood right here, which you can barely even tell, and made it straight and flat. And so that was done. This corner, primed it up, and then I went ahead and filled it in, which right here you can really tell where I filled it, but it was kind of difficult to do. So the corner's all fixed. The carpet is all out, which we should already know by now. So we got all the carpet out, making it look extra nice. And then the slide is currently out, so we'll just do a quick little overview of what the camper's like with the slide out. So with the slide out, you can see it goes that way. Then we have all this extra room for all this up in here. So we see the cabinets got painted. The walls are primed. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna finish painting the walls. So if you can see the focus, the walls are primed, but there's a slight difference. You can see the slight difference right here between the primer and the paint. So the paint is a little lighter. So today we're gonna have to paint all the walls. And then my favorite improvement so far, if we go up to this old mess up here, is we finally replaced that tub. Found this online. It was about 150 bucks. So, but I had it delivered to my door. The quickest shipping I've ever seen during the coronavirus pandemic was this tub getting to me. So, got the tub in. I'm gonna go to Lowe's eventually, get the wall panels. Just put wall panels up and then seal it around the edge, and then put in the faucet and all that for the shower. Also took out the sink and have painted the sink, which that would be right over here. You guys remember the sink was a nasty yellow. Now it is a beautiful white. So that is a plus. I do like this Rust-Oleum, I don't even know what it's called, but makes everything super nice, super white. This paint makes these cabinets. The drawers are still in the garage painted. Yeah, those are already done, so it's really just putting all this back together. But today I do want to get the painting done and go from there. Maybe we can get all the staples out of the floor, because if you were to look real close, you'll see the staples are all over the floor in here. So those still all have to come out. This slide is the one that we finished. Now it's just the holder of all the material. It's also where the bed is going to be made, which I do have all the material for the bed, but it's all about getting around and actually getting it made. But for the most part, I mean, pretty much moving along here. The next thing I want to do today is get the paint in, and then maybe get the fridge in here and see if the fridge is going to work. It's going to go in this slot right here, and the propane line's down there, and then I could check the other propane once the fridge is hooked up. That way we don't have a big leak, obviously, of propane, because that'll be the water heater, the stove, the refrigerator. So hopefully we can get that working, because I need to be cooking out when I'm camping. I did go to the RV park to check the AC. I plugged the camper into a 30 amp outlet, and the AC does not kick on. I did replace the thermostat with this thermostat, which I don't think it's the thermostat causing an issue, because the AC goes to kick on, the fan blows, and then once the acts like it's pulling a lot of power, and then no cold air comes out. So I do believe that there is something wrong with the AC, and it's gonna have to get fixed. I do plan to paint the walls too, or the ceiling too, because as you can see, I took out these cabinets over here where the radio is, and I covered it with wood fill, which has been sanded down. So I just need to paint the walls pretty much. I started right here. You can see the difference between new paint and the old paint. Meth lab, new trailer. Meth lab, new trailer. So today, oh, and I do plan to mount a TV right here with a nice Harbor Freight TV mount as soon as I find the studs and everything. So with that being said, let's hook up the radio. I guess this video we're going to, I'm gonna show you guys my painting, because I never showed you guys my painting. I think it's pretty boring to watch someone paint, but that's what I'm doing today, and I need to get another video out. So if you guys are new here from the channel for my RecTech video, which blew up from my RecTech controller, absolutely love that thing. Go check it out if you haven't. That controller is amazing. I suggest everybody put it on their Pit Boss. But stay tuned, let's get to it. This thing, Facebook buy, trash. Don't even bother. Piece of junk. Whew. All right, guys, we're done with the good old roller. So got most of it as we could with a roller. Now I got to go back with the brush. Whew. It's gonna be tough. The brush is the least fun part, I would say, because the roller goes on so quick and the brush is so meticulous, especially around these nice, beautiful white cabinets that I've already hit a lot. So since I did put a lot of primer down, I do not need 2 coats of regular paint. I only need 1. So that's it for this roller. We're gonna clean it and then see what else we can get done today. Whew. Let's turn that jams down. I went ahead and cut it off whenever I was done pretty much rolling this side, because I was moving around, didn't feel like moving the camera around. But it is done. And you can see, like, I touched up a spot right here. When the paint's wet, it's super dark gray, but you can see when it dries lighter. It's got a little blue tint to it. Not a big fan of the blue tint. I don't know why, it just bugs me, but it looks a lot better than the ugly white grandma walls that were in here. Here's my beautiful AC. If you guys know what's wrong with this, please leave a comment down below to help me out here. Like I said, it acts like it's winding up. The fan slows down and then it just doesn't blow cold air. I don't know. It just acts like it keeps winding up, like it keeps charging up power, but no cold air. Maybe the compressor's out. Maybe it needs Freon. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know anything about these AC units. So either way, so we got this paint done. I guess I'll start working on the floor, getting the all the nails removed and stuff, and then after that, might put some flooring down today. Nah, probably not. Probably not. I gotta work when my kids are sleeping, so got a little make sure that they're okay and everything. So that's gonna be the most difficult. Here's my question for you guys before you go. Before you go, you should like and subscribe though. But here's my big question for you guys as I'm moving around, probably giving y'all motion sickness. What should I do with this area right here? Now I'll show you right now. It's got the pipes running down here for the water inlet, and it also has the shower piece right here that sticks out of the wall. There was a desk here. Didn't like the idea of a desk, but I do like the idea of a table possibly coming out. I'm not sure. I thought I'd leave it up to you guys. You guys want to leave a comment down below on what you think would look good in this space right here. I'll back up for you guys so you can get the full view. But that is the full space. The slide comes in to probably about right here on this window. So keep that in mind. the slide does come in. So I want you guys to guess, I want you guys not to guess, but I want you guys to tell me what you think would go best in that corner. A little bit of suggestions: kid table, I don't know, washing machine, like a portable washing machine, something like that. Just let me know, guys. I'll take into consideration, maybe find some great ideas out there from you guys of what you might come up with. Hopefully it's something good. Hopefully we could do something with this space. Like I said, all the rest, I think I'm pretty much done for the day. I got it all painted up. Looks nice down here, down below. I'll just take a step back here, give you a quick 360. Well, not really a 360, like a 280, but of the whole back area now. And I do have this paper right here that's going to go on the counters. It's like a white marble, so that's going to go on the counters. I have enough to cover these counters and the counters in the bathroom. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button again, like I said, and just give me some help on this trailer. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you want me to do, what additions you might want me to make. Remember, we're keeping it in a budget, so don't be balling out saying, yeah, put gold on the wall or something, you know. Just keep it realistic, and let's try and get something nice done with this as I take you guys through the process of me fixing this up and hopefully taking it camping when my wife gets back. So see you guys next time.